Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Harsh, and today we're going to talk about the first week formalities that a student has to follow after coming to Canada. Okay, in short, I'm gonna make this video as small as possible and as proper as possible. So, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media to get updated. So first thing first, as soon as you enter Canada, get your student permit from the airport. Usually they ask you 2 to 3 questions such as why did you choose that course, why you're here, not USA, not Australia. But in my case, I was just asked, how was your flight? And that's the only question another question she asked, can I have your passport? And that's the mandatory thing they're gonna ask you. And that's what I like. My duration of getting a student permit was like 2 minutes. Okay, so after getting student permit, find your temporary stay. If you have not choose any place you're gonna stay for your duration of study in Canada, you can also email your college and they can also provide you with some accommodation for temporary basis, like 1 week or 2 week depending on in which college you are. And after that, on the next day, or like I can tell you, like, take proper rest. Okay, yourself 2 to 3 days and have some fun. Talk with your family that you're okay and this is my room, and like over here weather is cool, warm, depending on season you are in here. If you are here in before spring, it's gonna be beautiful. In winter it's gonna be white sometime. Okay, so done with that all, and now it's come to the main part of this videos. Okay, so first thing first, go to your college, let them know you are here, take your all documents and find international student office, or maybe it will be like kind of international student service center, something like that, depending on college. Like in my college, it's like it's like international student service. Okay, so go over there and let them know you are here. Take your offer letter, passport, student permit, and your result, and all the document you've given while you are taking admission. They will verify it. They will ask you some few questions like birth date, home address, your full name, and after that they will issue a proper admission letter, and they will give you that you are now registered. Welcome to the orientation, which will be in like first week before your college gets started. Get done with your college. This process will take around like 3 to 4 hours depending on the rush that college have. And the second thing, you have to go to Scotiabank or any bank you open your GIC with. Try to find the bank nearby your college, because in the initial stage you don't have your permanent address or like proper address or locations. Okay, so don't find bank by your home location, find your college location, so it will be easy for you to come here to discuss anything. So go over there, take your student permit and everything, all the document. Make sure you have all document properly setted, and GIC, take your GIC certificate, because that's the main thing they will ask you. And okay, so you went over there, and then after tell the receptionist you are new here, you opened the GIC account already and you need to open a bank account. I'm here for opening a bank account. Tell them that. Okay, they will issue a meeting with the manager, which will take you towards your debit card, credit card, and GIC account, which will be open on that day, and you will receive $2,000 on the same moment the account is open. And after you will be receiving $670 every month. And then, okay, so we're done with the college and Scotiabank, or sorry, just bank. Now it's time to get your Presto card. So I just forgot to mention you guys that before you head out, like to go college or to Scotiabank, anywhere, this is optional. Carry $50 to $60 in cash and $20 of coins, because you are new and you don't know how to use transfers. So it will be useful, because if you're hungry and if you're new, you can use that. Okay, and like don't carry lots of cash over here, and make sure you have like everything secured, your credit card, debit card, and everything all. Okay. So to get a Presto card, find nearest ShoperDrug Mart. Get over there and find a cashier and tell them that I'm here for Presto card, and they will just give you and charge you $6 and some cents. And it's on you if you wanna have. If it's beginning like first week of the month of any month, you will get a TTC pass. But if it's end of any month, and you will also get a TTC pass for the next month. Okay, so you're done with Presto card and everything. Now let's get started to the mobile cell phone plans. If you're planning to get a new cell phone over here, wait. First see that your cell phone is working over here. Like they have some trial SIM card which can be used in your phone, so they will use that. And if it's working, you can get SIM card, and that's so cheap, like $25 a month, and that's so cheap. Okay, like it depends on which service provider you choose. For an example, we have I have 3 to 4 service provider in my mind, like Rogers, Fido, Freedom, Virgin, Bell, Kudo, Public Mobile. That's 8. Not 4 to 5. That's 8 service provider we have in GTA. And the good service is from the Public Mobile. The connectivity is good, internet is so good. For the Rogers, they have like selective plans, and those are like big company. It's on you. The link will be in the description box below. And now it comes to finding an apartment. Finding an apartment is a tricky thing, because you have to go to that apartment and see, or it's not like, hello, is there any apartment in your home that I can move in? No, okay, sorry, it's not like that. Go to Google, type in keygg.com. Link will be in the description box below. Go over there, make account. Or you can literally just directly search in room for rent for student near this college or this location, and you will get a bunch of lists saying $500, $200, $300 shared, private, utility included, condo, apartment, basement, living room, a couch, and this and that. It's so broad. Like searching for a room, it's so broad. Second thing, as it's not like you have to stay in private, you have to stay in shared. It's on you. In the beginning stage, you can find quite like 7 kilometers in a 7 to 10 kilometer radius for the college will be good in the initial stage, because you are new and like you want to save time first. So you have to catch up with your studies and all. So some Kijiji user provide their email ID and mobile number, which can be used to text them and ask them for a request of viewing a room, or you can like communicate with them according to your time. Okay. So now let's come to the job. You have to find job, right? To find job, forget about it. it will take some time. It's not your first week formalities to get a job. Okay, after having this all thing done, if you are in winter and you did not brought your sweater, get your sweater from any store. I'm not telling mall or big store. Any store. Like any store. Okay, I'm mad that no one will come in winter without sweater or jacket. If you want, you can have. It's on you. Okay, so what will be the rest? Okay, so thing is, give yourself 20 days. If you came here like what we call that, like month ago before your college starts, the rest 20 days, roam around Toronto, go to CN Tower, see some beaches, go to Subway, explore more, find new ways to get your college, like route A, route B, route C, walking, cycling, this and that. Go to Tim Hortons, yes, Tim Hortons, and I will make a new I will make videos regarding what in the first day you should try from the Tim Hortons, and it's good. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video till now, and please subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I know this was in like pretty bad English, yes, because I'm stopping in between while speaking. So for that reason, I'm gonna prepare a step-by-step procedure in my description, so you can watch that description from step by step what you have to do and what you have to follow. And thank you guys for watching this video. Again, follow me on social media. My social media on Instagram, my name is _IAMLAD_, or you can find the link in the description box below. I'm telling you to follow me on Instagram because I'm posting more stories regarding students in Canada, my life, my daily pictures. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter. All the links will be provided in the description box below. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.